we're going to beach.
After 3.5 hours drive from home at Charlotte, NC, we are finally here at our Airbnb. This is a single bedroom apartment with living room, a kitchen and a bedroom. And this is a living area from where we can see the ocean.
Rasik.
फर्स्ट डे हामी अराउन्ड 5:30 मा एयरबेन्बी चेक इन गऱ्यौँ र अराउन्ड 6:15 मा हामी बिचमा इन्जोय गर्दैछौँ. वी आर अल्सो एबल टु अब्जर्भ द सनसेट. इट्स सो म्याजिकल भ्यू. It's 7 p.m. here. It's not that much cold. It's perfect weather. And YY is always with us in such moments. This is the living area. This is the balcony. Wow. It's the ocean view from the balcony. Wow, that's great. It's nice view. Ocean. It's 4 a.m. in the morning and this is how the ocean looks like. It's 6:30 a.m. here. The early morning view from our hotel room. Sorry, this time we did Airbnb. This is the Airbnb hotel. Looks awesome. bread inside the toaster. Yes. That's great. Awesome. One more bread. Yes, that's great. Yes. It will be fine. Yes, that's okay. That's okay. Yay! You did it, Rasik. Rasik, you put 2 bread, not 1. Okay. Look. Now, turn it on. Press down. Press it down. Down. No, down, Rasik, down. Down. Do it down. Yes, it is. Rasik, down. Yes, it. Down. Put it down. All down. Wow. Tapos. Sit on it. Take your seat. This is an early morning before the sunrise. मान्छेहरु बीचमा आउन थालिसकेका छन्. र चाहिँ के कार्यक्रम हुँदैछ? What Rasik is doing? Rasik is eating bread with Nutella, right? Babu will help. Okay, Babu will help. Yes. Mommy चाहिँ यहाँ किचनमा हाम्रो Airbnb को किचन is good. यहाँ चना पकाउनको लागि रेडी हुँदैछ.
आज मेरो टर्न भोलि हजुरको टर्न.
Rasik is having breakfast. Rasik, what you are eating, Rasik? You are eating bread and Nutella, right? It's yummy. Bread is so yummy, Rasik. You want one more bite? You want to help Baba, right? You want one more bite, right? Yes. Wow. And Rasik is looking at the ocean as well, right? This looks awesome, right, Rasik? बर्डहरु पनि आइरहेछ यहाँ. यहाँ एकदम रमाइलो मौसम छ. Temperature around 78 छ. So we are feeling a little bit warm in balcony. And we are planning to go to beach in an hour after having a heavy breakfast. That's our plan so far. Let's see. Rasik, can you say hi? Hi. Okay, hi. Good job.
हामी अब बीचतिर जाँदैछौँ. ढिला भइसक्यो तर पनि Rasik is so excited. Rasik एकदम खुसी छ. बीच आउन पाएर माथिमा उसको एनिमलहरू हाइड गर्नको लागि. Rasik! Hi! Rasikले त सार्क भएको टी-शर्ट लगाएर रहेछ है. Let's go, jump.
Yes.
गाह्रो भइरहेछ माटोमा. छिटो हिँड्न छोडेर नि गाह्रो हुँदैन. छिटो हिँड्न अनि गाह्रो हुँदैन. न त छिटो टाइमिङ चाहिँ एकदम ठिक रहेछ. धेरै गर्मी पनि छैन, चिसो पनि छैन. फाइनली Rasik, finally हामी बीचमा. हिँड ल, चप्पल त्यहीँ छोडिदेऊ ल. जाऊ, चप्पल बिना जाऊ ल. जाऊ, गो. बाबाको ठाउँमा रन गरेर जाऊ त. Rasik, go. बनाउँदैछौँ अब हामी बस्नेछौँ वा साउन्डले नै आनन्द यहाँ चाहिँ साउन्डमा होल बनाउनको लागि चाहिँ एसी युज गर्नुपर्ने रहेछ Rasik, Rasik, jump! Kijk in mijn leg. Finally, एउटा लाग्यो. अर्को बाँकी नै छ going on the process Rasik एकचोटि पानीमा भिजेर आइसक्यो what did you found Rasik काय हेरौँ त what did you found एक्लै गयो मा No. Good job, Donna. Ahora sí que está. यताबाट क्लाइम गर्नु रसिकको बाबा के गर्दै
One is done. You can see one.
One is done. Aku गर्न बाँकी नै छ आएछ र त्यत्रो माटोमा कहाँ खोज्छ नजिक नजिकै राख्दैछ न भयो भयो धेरै हराउने
Find the sea animals. Let's find the sea animals. Find the sea animals.
यसले गर्दा एउटा उ पनि थियो यसले गर्दा यसो गरेर निकालेर झन् हराउँछ क्या यसो
What is that? What is that? That's a hammerhead shark. Hammerhead shark. Let's see if you find it. Yes. Put it in the water. Yes. Thank you. Find another one. Find another one. Can we find another one? Another one. Find another one. Yes. It's fine. You solve it. You solve it. You solve it. You solve it. Listen. You solve it. Find another one. Find another one. Can you find another one? Another one. Find another one. Let's find it. Find another one. Yes. Find another sea animals, Rasik. What is that? That's a seahorse. Seahorse. Yes. Clean the seahorse first. Okay. Clean the seahorse first. Okay. Clean up. Clean up. Yay. Good job. Now find another one. Use shovel and find another one, okay? Find another animal, okay? Yes. Find another one. Yes, okay. You can find it, Wow, that's a starfish. That's a starfish. Show me the starfish. Show Baba Rasik. So Baba, what is that? That's a starfish. That's a starfish, okay. Good job. Clean up the starfish. Okay, good job. Find another one. Okay, now find another one. Find another one. Okay, find another one. Wow, Rasik find another shark. Rasik find another shark. That's a green shark. Rasik is so busy finding the sea animals. Okay, put it. Find another one. Rasik is now relaxing and also enjoying watermelon. Rasik is also now enjoying watermelon. Yes, Rasik, you like the watermelon, right? Yes. Wow, it's so yummy. Rasik is relaxing on beach here.
Hi, Rasik. Kuda halaउँदै छ Rasikले. Swimming, Rasik, swim.
अहिले यो मध्याह अराउन्ड 1 PM को भिडियो। हामी अहिले यहाँ लन्च गर्नलाई फेरि आफ्नो एयरबिएनबीमा आएको छौँ। हाम्रो स्पट त्यो हो। हामी अहिले त्यत्तिकै छोडेर आएको छौँ। नेपाल अथवा इन्डिया अथवा कतै साउथ एसियन कन्ट्री भएको त्यो हाम्रो बाँकी रहँदैन थियो। बट हियर वी आर स्टिल फाइन। आई थिङ्क नो वान विल गना टेक ओभर आवर things there. So, well, this is how it looks like at around 1 PM in Myrtle Beach. I think today we will gonna go to that circle, but looks like they are not. Okay, let's have lunch and then go to beach again. Rasik, we are going to beach after having lunch. Now we are going back to beach after having a heavy lunch, right? Rasik, are you happy again? Can you wave your hand? Can it come? Yes, wave your hand. Good job. Good job. Yes. It's little bit windy. Rasik is so windy, right? Yeah, that's our spot. I hope we do not lose anything. Let's go. Okay, it's hard to walk with slipper, right? So let's take it off. It's fine. Let's go. Let's take it off. Let's go, Rasik. Let's go. Rasik, where's our seat? Rasik, where's our seat? Where's our seat, Rasik? Where's our chair? That's our chair. Let's go to our chair, right? Rasik need water or water hala त्यहाँ water hala उत्यहाँ hala Rasik उत्यहाँ hole मा
Rasik नजिकमै छोडेर आइज त
Fast, fast. Rasik. Rasik, come here.
यहाँ हालो रसिक
Rasik, here. Fast. और पानी बनाएपछि यहाँ पोर गर अनि यहाँ एनिमल भित्राउनुपर्छ ओके यहाँ एनिमल हाल्नुपर्छ नि त अनि ओके ल हराउँदैन पानी पुरै फेरि लिँदैन फेरि फास्ट
पानी कति भयो कति भएछ
Now one more time.
रसिक आउँदैछ उहाँदेखि बिस्तारै हँ? वाउ, सही भाइ उहाँ पनि हुँदो रहेछ हो।
Wow, it's almost full. Wow.
अब एकचोटि गर्दा हुन्छ होला अब कति मजा आएको
Okay. Rasikle now sea animals like swim garaउँदैछ okay? Sea animals are doing swimming, right? They are swimming. That's a seahorse. Seahorse पनि swim गर्छ अब. Seahorse पनि swim गर्छ अब, okay? Seahorse पनि swim गर्छ. Yes, good job. Yes. Wow, good job. Ini. Rasik, Rasik, why are you alone, Rasik? You are alone. You are alone. It's not a good job. Rasik, no, 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 no. Hey, hey, hey. जानु हुँदैन wave bye, 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 yes. Wave bye, wave bye, wave bye, wave bye, wave bye, wave bye, bigger wave bye, bigger wave bye, This is second night at our Airbnb. Rasik and Mama are watching cartoon. How the beach looks like on the second night. You can see still some people are there in the beach. It's about 7:30 p.m. And what Baba is doing? Baba is making Maggie today. Okay, Baba is making Maggie. Okay, so I think this is our second night and final night. We have to go home tomorrow morning. Check-out time is at 10:30, I think.
As a dinner पाक्दैछ डिनरमा के छ आज
Today we have a Maggie. Maggie time. Maggie special. Maggie with healthy Maggie. Maggie with broccoli, capsicum, broccoli and capsicum. You can see it here. Maggie soup.
हाम्रो सेकेन्ड डेको म्यागी सेकेन्ड डेको डिनर रेडी भएको छ लुक्स लाइक यमी नुडल्स
Rasik, good morning. Good morning, Rasik. It's your last day at beach. It's your last day at beach. चरीहरु हेर त लट्स अफ चरीहरु छ अब त आज हामी त घर जाने हो नि त अनि This is your last morning in the beach. We'll come again next year. Okay, Rasik? चरीहरु हेर कतिवटा चरी रहेछ लट्स अफ चरीजहरु हेर त वाउ लट्स अफ चरी Lots of chori on the beach, in the beach. अब हामी ब्रेकफास्ट खाने Come on आऊ ल अब ब्रेड खाने आऊ Rasik, let's eat bread. Let's eat bread आऊ Let's eat bread भित्र बसेर अनि खाने आऊ ब्रेड खाने अब ब्रेड खाने अनि त्यसपछि जानु आज हाम्रो लास्ट डे अब यहाँ सनराइज हुन लागेको छ आई डोन्ट थिङ्क विल गो टु बीच टुडे हामी जस्ट यहाँ बाल्कनीमा बसेर चिया खाएर सनराइज हेर्दै अनि त्यसपछि हाम्रो गन्तव्यतिर लाग्ने प्लान छ
Rasik, thumbs up.
Rasik, can you do thumbs up to Mama? Say hi to Mama. Say hi. Hi.
Hi.
This is our last day at the beach. Today is our last day at beach. अब हामी यहाँबाट डाइरेक्ट घर जान्छौँ. We'll spend a couple of hours here and then we'll head
वेदर यस्तो राम्रो रहेछ है सेप्टेम्बरको लास्टतिर चाहिँ वेदर एकदम राम्रो हुँदो रहेछ न गर्मी न चिसो
हामीले मर्निङमा पियरमा छौँ दिस इज वान अफ द फेमस पियर इन Myrtle Beach area. You can see the whale and the city with the hotel here right on the side of the beach. People are doing fishing here. Rasik is at Pier 14. Okay, Rasik. Wow, Rasik. Rasik, are you enjoying ice cream? Rasik is enjoying ice cream. Happy? Rasik is very happy. Okay, so yummy.